Hey guys, so I just got all these parts. Order everything online. Order some rear shocks, extended rear shocks, Bilstein. A few things that I need. A few other things for the other car. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with these shocks. Look nice. Bilstein extended shocks. 5100s. Let me go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna measure it against the original shocks, which I have back here. So right now you can see the difference. This one is closed, this one is open, and it's almost the same size. Let me just open up the other one so you can see. Just gotta compress it, take out the safety thing, just lay it right next to each other. Boom. Gives you another 2 inches. So it's nice, looks nice. Let's just go ahead and set it up on the car now. And I got all the installation things. Yeah, brings everything to install it. I ordered the rear ones, but I think this is for the front shocks, so I'm guessing you can use these shocks in the front and in the back. Same. Looks nice. Whole bunch of stickers, but Bilstein stickers. Bob's Garage, shout out to them. Shipped everything real fast. Can't complain. They didn't pay me for this. They didn't give it to me for free, but man, they were fast. So I think I'll keep ordering everything through them. They were really fast, and I like fast things. I live on an island. I don't live in the States, so I have everything shipped to Miami, and then everything gets shipped from Miami to DR, where I'm at, Dominican Republic. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll attempt to do everything without lifting the truck. This is the rear shock. Rear driver's side. All I'm gonna do is loosen this. Already broke it loose. Take it off over here. It's a 15 millimeters wrench. Take the screw out. Pretty long screw. Ooh, that shit's well put over there, so I'm just gonna have to break it loose with something. Bring it down. Do the same in the bottom. Be right back. Alright, and in the bottom is a 20 millimeter, and you gotta have a wrench. You gotta have 2 of them, because you gotta hold this and undo it over here. I just did it. I actually did it with a piece of pliers because I didn't have another wrench. So I just got it out. Let me just hold the shock over here while I take it off. There you go. And it's that easy to remove the rear shock. With the old and with the new. Alright, so now it's just a matter of doing everything backwards. Fits very nice. I'm gonna use the same old screws. They're still good, still hold, and let's get started. Alright, one down, it's very tight. Another one to go. Let's go ahead and get started on the other one. Alright, so now you gotta compress this shock all the way down. Bring it in and put the 15 millimeter screw. There we go. On this one, the nut is in the back, so you just have to make sure it falls right in there. Just fix it a little bit. There you go. So I changed to my 15mm. Start tying everything down. You gotta tighten it down very good, because if not, it'll get loose with vibration. And you'll start hearing a rattling. It already happened to my brother-in-law on his WJ. So let me just put this down for a little bit and give it a nice squeeze. There we go. That thing is not going anywhere now. Alright. And it's all set. Just give it a nice little clean up over here. One side down, one side to go. Alright, so it's about to rain. Just loosen this one. So far this nut hasn't started spinning, so I'm not having to hold it. There you go. Now I'm gonna have to grab it. I'll let you guys know when I'm done.